Hey guys, so in this video I am doing a basic makeup look. So we have my everyday makeup that I use, but I'm doing it abroad, so I'm aware that it's going to be really hot. So basically I did start off with this concealer, which is Charlotte Tilbury concealer, and then I went in with my foundation, which is Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. Pro Filter in shade 170. So first I'm rubbing in the concealer. Then I find my Fenty Beauty foundation, Pro Filter in 170. That's the Pro Filter by Fenty Beauty. Then I'm using the Pro Filter Powder Foundation in shade 160 with a Real Techniques brush. Then I'm using my Shady Biz Sunstalker bronzer in shade 02. Then I'm using my Harmony Cards Diamond Bomb highlight. Then I'm using my Matchstick blush, also Fenty Beauty. I'm just using a beauty blender to blend that in. Then I'm using my Sculpted by Amy mascara. My best friend got me this mascara, it's very good. Next I'm going to do my brows, and this is a Morphe Brow Cream in shade Latte. I'm using a Morphe hard angle brush for that. Then I'm just going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury concealer and fix any excess makeup that came off when I did my eyebrows. And use a sponge to blend that in as well. That's the final look.